Getting started with Seymour Lerhn. Seymour Lerhn is a brand new way to bring effective, immersive learning to your classroom. Ready to find out how it works? First off, grab a device. It doesn't matter if you're using a PC, interactive whiteboard, iPad or phone. All you need is an internet connection. The platform. When you log in, you will see your personal hub. From here, you can manage your account and student accounts and explore the immersive content. Let's take a look at the exciting stuff. Simply tap to see all of the virtual tours within your subscription package. Content can be sorted by key stage, or you can search for specific topics by name or by subject. School Plus and Teacher Plus subscribers will also find teaching resources which can be downloaded and printed. Some resources can be completed digitally, ideal for remote learning or the eco-conscious amongst us. Once you've chosen, just tap Let's Go to start exploring. Virtual tours. Virtual tours allow children to be fully immersed in the topic at hand. Trying to explain the World War I trenches? Take them there instead. There are a few ways to navigate around, with directional arrows, double tapping the direction you want to travel to, or by using quick links. Keep an eye out for interactive hotspots dotted around the tours. These provide extra information with pictures, videos and sound. My Classroom. School Plus subscribers will have access to My Classroom. This allows teachers to set up lessons ahead of time and lets all students access the lesson content at the tap of a button. To add a lesson, first create your class and add your pupils. Content is added through widgets, including virtual tours in your subscription, websites and YouTube videos. You can also upload files and resources to build your custom lesson. Students simply need to click My Classroom and the prepared lesson is ready for use.